Robert, look. Chloe is running, Milo is sleeping, and you are talking.
Exactly, Johnny. We use am/is/are plus ng to talk about enodopia vu. I am talking. You are listening. She is running.
So, what am I doing right now?
You are asking a question.
I am asking a question. I am asking a question.
And now you are repeating it.
I am repeating it. This is fun.
Remember, Johnny, present simple is for things you always do. Present continuous is for right now. I play every day, but right now, I am talking to you.
I understand now. And look, Milo is not sleeping anymore. He is eating.
Perfect example, Johnny.